Have you ever wondered why the moon seems to change shape every night? Or maybe you've always been fascinated by the lunar cycle and wanted to track it yourself. Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'll show you how to set up your own lunar cycle tracking system. Imagine being able to predict when the next full moon will be, or when the best time to plant your garden is based on the lunar cycle. It's not as complicated as it might seem. Let's dive in. Equipment needed. Calendar, a physical or digital calendar will be your foundation. Moon phase chart, this will help you identify the different phases of the moon. Moon phase app, optional if you prefer a digital approach, a moon phase app can provide real-time updates. Journal or notebook, to record your observations and any patterns you notice. Choosing a tracking method. Daily observations, simply note the moon's phase each day on your calendar. Moon phase chart tracking, use your moon phase chart to identify the moon's phase and record it on your calendar. Moon phase app tracking, if you prefer an app, most will allow you to track phases automatically. Tips for accurate tracking. Observe at the same time, try to observe the moon at the same time each day for consistent results. Consider location, your location can slightly affect the moon's appearance. Use a telescope or binoculars, optional for a more detailed view. Understanding the lunar cycle. New moon, the moon is not visible from Earth. Waxing crescent, the moon is growing in size. First quarter, half of the moon is illuminated. Waxing gibbous, more than half of the moon is illuminated. Full moon, the entire moon is illuminated. Waning gibbous, less than half of the moon is illuminated. Third quarter, half of the moon is illuminated. Waning crescent, the moon is shrinking in size. Benefits of tracking the lunar cycle. Connect with nature. Tracking the lunar cycle can deepen your connection to the natural world. Improve observation skills. It can help you become a more observant person. Learn about astronomy. It's a great way to learn about the moon and its phases. Potential practical applications. Some people believe that the lunar cycle can influence gardening, fishing, and even personal energy levels. Setting up a lunar cycle tracking system is a fun and rewarding activity. By following these simple steps, you can become a lunar cycle expert and gain a deeper appreciation for our celestial neighbor. So, grab your calendar, moon phase chart, and a sense of curiosity, and start tracking the moon today. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or would like to share your lunar cycle tracking experiences, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy moon watching.